Oh, pag ganyan siya, nandyan yung shelf, di ba? Pag nahulog siya guys, papunta dito. Kasi naghawid man siya doon. Sumaana sa kong nawong. You will not see a beautiful wife anymore. On my channel, we should not talk about their lives.
Just our opinion.
Yeah,
just curious.
Yeah.
Gossiping.
Gas. Chismuso ng Germana
Okay.
rin.
I have to make...
Guys, naalala niyo yung table dito na na silver?
That's your coffee.
Ayaw niya kasi ng may sugar. Naalala niyo yung table ko dito na silver? Dahil nilabas ko na siya, nasa balcony na siya ulit. Wala na kaming table dito. Then tapos doon nasa living room na yung dapat kainan namin. Ayun, nag-gobi kami, wala kaming maupuan. This is cool. Without table, just hanging out here.
We actually have those chairs here because we have to take down the cabinet from the kitchen, the top one.
Oo, kasi ba,
It's so heavy.
malapit siyang maano guys.
It's hanging down on one side, and I just noticed it last night, very late, when we switched on the big light. And to prevent that from falling down, I will have to take that all down again and put new holes and fix it to prevent any accidents here.
Kagabi guys, nabuhugas ako ng batos na notice ni Frank na
I can show you that. It's that one there.
show the one.
If I can see that.
Thanks to my lights.
You cannot really see that here, but it's actually pretty much ripping out of the wall. And since there was another paint behind it, I can see the yellow paint behind the closet cabinet.
Muntik nang may disgrasya dito guys. Kasi ang bigat ng mga plato nila guys dito guys. Tapos hindi pa, naano siya ba, paana siya rin. Naghuhugas ako kagabi. Thank God, yung di ba napakita ko sa inyo guys yung Amazon na in-order ko na lights, LED lights. Tapos, bright color pala siya guys. Puti yung white color yung ano niya ba, ang liwanag niya, ang color niya white. Tapos, makitang-kita mo talaga yung ano dito, yung kusina. Ito na pala siya guys, yung lights na in-order ko sa Amazon. Yan, 3 ganyan, yung 2 na sa hallway. Kagabi, nang sinitch on ko siya kasi parang Filipinas feels lang ba, hayag kayo atong suga. Tapos kasi yung mga suga nila dito, yung mga ilaw nila dito, mga color yellow, warm ang color ba, then ito puti. So kitang-kita yung kagabi, nakita ni Frank na pag na siya kasi ang bigat ng mga plato, sus, kung hindi nabantayan ni Frank, kung hindi ko switch on yung big light, kasi di ba may light din kami dito na yellow, yun lang yung on ko minsan. At dahil in-on ko yung big light, yung puti, nakita ni Frank, hulugan dyan unta ko ato ba? Bad accident here. Thank God to my light. Then Frank didn't like the white light.
It's too aggressive, that light.
Yeah, because dito guys, gusto kasi nila yellow para warm ang kulay ba, dahil pag malamig, bati man ang puti.
So that's the reason why the chairs are here, because we need to put that on top of this,
Yeah.
of these chairs.
And since this morning, magkape kami.
Yeah.
Wala may malingkuran, di mo ganahan maadto na dito. So umupo na lang kami dito, having our coffee. It's good. Needs to go to doctor kasi may breast cancer. Si
So
Frank
funny, eh?
dito guys, kasi di ba na hospital siya before, katong dito niya may parang na-infected na andito na naman guys, dito siya sa breast niya. Papa-check up siya, punta siya ng doktor. Say hi to the
Look
camera.
who's there.
Yeah, say hi.
You come on.
Sa papa niya.
You come on. You want to come up? Yeah, sit down.
She's wondering why we are sitting down here.
Yeah, you come here. Sit down too.
Wee.
Well, don't push me away. You're gonna sit down here. Sit down on my lap.
You want this bread? Did you finish your dede? Where's your bottle?
Go. There she is. She wants to sit here. Okay.
Say hi. Say hi, good morning.
Good job, I'm not that big, no? So you
Say hi,
can,
good
you can
morning.
share the
Hi, good morning.
you can share the chair.
Nangilog ng pan. Nangilog ng pan.
Hey, that's a new rhyme.
Yeah.
We can share the chair.
They can share the chair. Si Francis natutulog pa. Si Ila din. Gisingin yun ni Frank si Ila.
Ella, she's still asleep.
You don't want this? I thought you want. Where's the bottle? Bring the bottle here. Bring your bottle here.
Why no? What's that no business here? Hmm?
Lately, ang iyang paborito na word kay no. Favorite word niya, no.
Yeah. But the sentence of the day is, I do it.
I do it. She don't want to be helped.
She said that this morning so many times.
Yeah.
I do it.
I do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do it?
Ayaw niya nung tinutulungan siya, guys. Gusto niya, I do it. I do it. Sabi ko this morning, sabi ko, basahan kita ng libro. Siya, no, I do it. I do it. Parang ano lang si Manang, eh.
So you can do also the bottle to bring that here.
Yeah.
I do it.
Rainy morning. Malamig ngayon dito. No, not so cold na. Just, ang ingay ng ulan kanina, guys. Nagising ako.
We slept last night at 2 a.m.
Yeah, I wake up early.
You wake up early, it was me. Francine came to me this morning, and that was 7 a.m. I checked when I was getting the milk done for her.
Lately, si Frank yung gumigising nagpapadede ni Francis at ni Francine.
Yeah. Normally I do Francis as well.
Yeah, but since Francine is already sleeping dito, guys, di ko pala napakita, no? Natutulog na dito. Every morning, pumupunta siya sa amin. It's good. Nag-adjust si Francine agad. First night niya, natulog talaga siya doon. First night. Huh?
Now it's the third night last night. No?
No, fourth, I think.
What?
Since when was that? Long, na?
I don't know. It was a quick decision. One of Jean's brilliant ideas that needed to be changed into reality immediately.
Kasi di siya natutulog sa aming bed. So huna-huna na ako ba, nasa isip ko, sige, lagay na lang natin ito sa kids room. Para ano.
But it was actually me who said, okay, I will do it now, no? Wasn't it? I said,
No, I
didn't want to do it later.
I suggested, then you said you wanted to do it now, then you did it.
Yeah. Okay guys, I gotta go.
So,
See ya.
balikan yan siya, guys. Check up rin siya, malapit ng doktor dito eh. Nandyan lang. Parang family doctor lang, house doctor ba? Sa dito, malapit lang, malalakad lang. Nakapacheck up ako doon nung buntis ako ni Francine. Hindi ko pa alam na buntis ako ni Francine, guys din. Tapos sabi ko masakit yung tiyan ko at nagsusuka ako. Tapos, hindi ko alam na buntis na pala ako noon. Niresitahan ba naman ako ng para sa kalibanga, para sa diarrhea. Hindi chinik off nila buing. Bye, Papa! Bye! Oh, bye! Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Baby Francis? What? Yeah. Do you want Dede? Yeah. 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 What? Oh, here's your sister. You want it? We're touchy in the floor. Hi guys. Nara guys, nawa. Nabangas si Frank ng kape ko. Dako yung buslot guys. Ni yun siya ba, ni gawas yun siya yung ang screw. Na kung ano siya ba, magidayungan kabugat ba kayo eh. Basta bugata. Nag-coffee ko. Nag-coffee ko guys. Akong boss dito. Ang aking boss. Wala pa ko, imbis ka maligo ko. Ayun. I'm coffee, the secretary makes coffee, so there's energy. Tapos nag-coffee ko din. Taong ko ani. Oyo. Anak siya. Sabi niya, kainin ko daw to. Yan, ito masarap guys. So why should I eat that one? Paano pa ang inspiration mo nito? Hindi, wala ko. Diba, napakita ko to last time. Bigay to ni Dinan. 3 nito. Tapos, inopen na nilang at manasang ang 2. Tapos, found out na hindi siya masarap. Normal lang ba? Mas masarap pa yung cake ko. So, sabi niya pang kainin ko daw. Ayaw ko niyan. 20 October pa naman mag-expire. Pwede ko na, hinahinayan. So, ayusin namin ang kitchen. Ito yung contractual ko.
Hi, I'm Mr. Crack. Do you have any problems in the kitchen with me? You have more problems.
Tell in video, ma'am.
Feel those bloody holes there, and I don't think.
Liligo na sana ako guys ba. Tapos, ang dami pa naman naming ayusin. Ay, wapadyo ko nakaligo yung tawang. Hindi ako nakaligo. Ang ganitong isa, sige, samok-samok. Ha? You water? Water? You go there. Because mama and papa needs to fix the kitchen here. Sus, kung hindi nakita ni Frank kagabi. Disgrasya na yun. Ako ra ba delivery mag... Water? Ako ra ba lagi dito sa kitchen? And then, it will happen when I'm cooking or vlogging na put in the video guys, yung disgrasya. So, ayusin na muna namin to dito guys para matapos na to kay murag ako ikapuyan ng kalakihan.
Fat.
But stop eating here. Ang tataba na daw namin kaya.
Should stop cooking here.
Stop cooking, mapas mo ta.
It can't fall on top of you anymore because it's not on the wall. Is it?
Yeah, but it will go like that. While I'm making the day or I'm cooking or I'm doing the battles, it will fall off on me. And imagine my nose will be crooked. It's the nose that brings my face.
That brings us more together because my nose is also crooked.
Oh, pag ganyan siya, nandyan yung shelf, di ba? Pag nahulog siya guys, papunta dito. Kasi naghawid man siya doon. Sumaana sa kong nawong. You will not see a beautiful wife anymore.
I will have to go outside then.
No, you gonna pay for surgery. You're gonna make me as Angelina Jolie. Plastic surgery. At least your dream girl will be yours.
Who says that she's my dream girl?
She's beautiful. She's, you know.
I wonder.
And
I wonder why Brad Pitt got separated this well.
yeah, because Brad Pitt is we don't talk showbiz here because it's my channel. We should not talk about their lives.
Just our opinion.
Yeah,
just curious.
Yeah.
Gossiping.
Because chismoso ng Germana
Okay, I have to make something.
So guys, tapusin muna namin to guys kaya kung ano na ako dito ba. Na-stress ako din sa kitchen. Muna na tong pang-arrange dire. Ningawro ni kalat na po. Sus, ginoo ko labad akong ulo. Sumakit yung ulo ko nito. You're 8 kilos. Diet ito gamay dong. Are you sleepy? Tulog na ka? Tulog na ka? Oh. Tulog na ka? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Tulog na ka? Oh. Didi na po ka? Oh. Yeah. Kuku. Kuku. Oh. Yeah. 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 Oh, wiggle. Oh. A, B, C, D. Oh.
What? Zaman? Zaman, Bisaya ikaw? Magbisaya ka dong? Naman. Naman na. Oh. Naman. Busog na ikaw? Busog na ikaw? Ha? Busog na. Tulog na ikaw dayon. Tulog na ikaw. Matulog na ikaw. Ha? Matulog na ikaw? Matulog na ikaw? Oh, tulog na ko ma. Kalasutso na ma. Kakong ate ma. Stang hypera ma. Oh, tulog na ikaw. Oh, tabi sa ta. Tabi sa ta. Magtabi sa ta. Oh. 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 Magtabi sa ta. Ayaw ka matulog. Okay. 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 Oh. Good night na. Good night na. Good night na. Good night na. Good night.